In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Android. If you prefer a softer look at night or want to save a bit of battery on OLED screens, switching Facebook to dark mode is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Depending on your app version, you'll usually find it at the top right or bottom right of the screen. Give that a tap to open your account and app options. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This opens a small panel that groups together controls for your account preferences and app behavior. If you see Settings and Privacy with an ampersand that's the same place, go ahead and select it so the section expands. Next, scroll through the options and look for dark mode. The exact position can vary between app updates, but it typically sits under Preferences or similar visual settings. Take your time scrolling. It's easy to miss if you move quickly. When you find dark mode, tap it to open the theme choices. Here you'll see the options that control how Facebook looks: on, off, or use system settings. Choose on if you want Facebook to always use a dark background and light text no matter what your phone is doing. Pick off if you prefer the classic light appearance. If your Android phone already has its own dark theme, the most seamless choice is use system settings. That option tells Facebook to follow your phone's theme automatically. So if your device switches to dark mode in the evening or based on a schedule, Facebook will match it without you having to change it again. Once you make your selection, Facebook updates immediately. There's no need to restart the app. Take a quick look around your feed, messages, and notifications to confirm the new look is applied the way you want. A couple of tips before we wrap up: if you don't see the dark mode option, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store, as design menus can shift with updates. Also, if you choose Use System Settings, remember that Facebook will switch themes whenever your phone does, which is great if you like a set it and forget it approach. And that's it. You've enabled dark mode on Facebook for Android and customized the app to suit your eyes and your battery. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new look. The